Hello, today's short video is about Sunny Health and Fitness, Mini Stepper. At the end of this video I will give my overall verdict, so be sure to watch till the end. Also, make sure you look at the related popular products about today's topic, below this video. The Sunny Health and Fitness, Mini Stepper is a compact and lightweight piece of exercise equipment that allows you to work on your lower body and cardiovascular fitness. It features a stair-stepping motion that targets your glutes, thighs, and calves, and can be adjusted to different levels of resistance to challenge your muscles and increase your intensity. It comes with resistance bands that allow you to add an upper body workout to your routine. The bands can be attached to the handles of the stepper and used to perform a variety of exercises such as bicep curls, tricep extensions, and shoulder presses. One of the standout features is its small size and portability. It measures just 12.5 inches in length and width, and weighs only 16 pounds, making it easy to store in a closet or under a bed. The Mini Stepper has a sturdy and stable design, with a non-slip surface on the pedals and a weight limit of 220 pounds. It also has a digital display that shows you important metrics such as the number of steps taken, the time elapsed, and the calories burned. In terms of assembly, it is fairly straightforward and can be set up in just a few minutes. It comes with all the necessary tools and instructions, and the process is made even easier by the clear and concise instructions manual. Overall, the Sunny Health and Fitness, Mini Stepper is a versatile and effective piece of exercise equipment that is perfect for people looking to get a lower body workout, in the comfort of their own home. Its compact size and easy portability make it a great choice for those with limited space, and the resistance bands add an extra element of variety to your workouts. That's it from me. Thanks for listening and thanks for watching, and have a happy and healthy day.